didn't go for 15 years to the dentist at all. And then one day I was just walking on the street and I walked by a dentist's office and I was like, oh, you know what I haven't done in a while? I should just walk in and see what's going on in there, you know? So I just walk in and I'm like, it's just a regular dental checkup. And she looks in my mouth and she goes, clear my calendar. I knew it was going to be bad because she was like, do you have any symptoms? And I said, if I eat ice cream on the left side of my mouth, my spine hurts.
When you were a kid, did you go to the dentist?
No. My mom is a little bit of an anti-dentite. You know, I called her to tell her, like, hey, I've had up in there. And she was like, why did you go to the dentist? I'm like, that's not the right response to that. So I went to the dentist, and he, like, was fixing my stuff up. And then he looked at me, and he was like, do you like your smile? And I said, yeah. And he said, huh. And then on the wall, as I'm sitting there, there's a huge picture of this gorgeous woman with a perfect smile. And he's like, huh, that is a good smile. And he, like, finishes working up, and he's like, okay, I'm going to go, and someone's going to come and clean your teeth. And he's like, actually, it's her. And then he leaves, and 30 seconds later, that woman walks in. It's like meeting a celebrity. And it's like a huge picture of her, and then she, like, comes right in front with the same smile. And I'm looking at, like, a massive version of her head as the normal version of her head is inside my mouth.